You know I'm gonna get.
What's up everyone, I'm back for another video and I'm here today guys to share with you how I did the flying trick in the song You Know I Go Get in the TikTok, the trending song in TikTok nowadays. So this is how I do it. So first guys, you have to make a series of videos of yourself jumping anywhere you want, like this. So if possible, you make a story like from starting to end, like you have this flow of story, like if you are doing laundry, then eating after, then relaxing while chilling while drinking some beverage or alcohol, like that. So I'll give you a picture of how I do it. Yeah, like that. Yeah, snap from my room, going out to the living room. Yeah, going to the laundry. Then if you want some jumps in the kitchen, you can also do like this. You see how I do. Feel like stupid. Then like that. Yeah, you have like a flow of the series of events. So that's it. So first guys, I'm transferring my videos from my phone to the laptop. I'm airdropping for nice quality of videos. Now guys, we are making a new project uh, in Final Cut Pro. Then let's go to File, Create New Project. So now, because TikTok is in vertical uh, mode position in the video, let's set our video to 900 by 1600. I guess you have to select custom here, then 900 by 1600, and frame rate I think 24p. That's okay already. So okay, so our video is vertical already. Then let's start to import our videos from our phone we just airdropped recently. So it's in my downloads. So select all. So let's import it now. Then start the video editing. Let's move on to drag and drop the videos you just imported from your phone. So we'll just select everything since all the videos are in order. I shoot these videos in order and drop. So what I did with the sound guys is I screen videoed the TikTok account of that guy who has that sound, because it's easier than the voice recorders, because the voice recorder will not play simultaneously if you will change the page in your phone. So might as well you just have to use the screen videoed TikTok account just for reference guys. So later on, if your clips are already in place, you can take out the music. Then we will import already our finished product into the TikTok account, because the sound in TikTok is just purely crisp and has a fine quality than using this sound here. So alternatively guys, we'll just audio record the TikTok account of the guy in that music. So let's begin audio recording.
You know I'm gonna get.
Guys, I just finished cutting and trimming my videos, and I want to show you how I did the cuts and trims of the video. So usually after dragging the imported videos here, you just you just put all the videos, then cut it according to the sounds. So let's play first the video, the one I make from start.
You know I'm gonna get.
So that's only 12 seconds, guys. So I am not yet finished ending. We wanted to show you already how I did parts by parts. Usually I don't play the video. I just run the line here or then I just see to it that my feet is not reaching the ground. Then just like that, you just have to, if you want your feet to be higher in the air, then you just adjust like that. Yeah, like that. And same with the end. Yeah, if you want it to be more higher than the usual, so you just drag the end and start of the video. And one more thing, guys, you have to turn off the volume so that it will not interrupt with the background in your TikTok when you upload already the video. So what else, guys? And what I did to make the repeating effect, I just copy and paste one video in 2 times to 3 times, so it will just like a fish kicking its tail. And one more effect also, I alternately repeat the video, like going forward and going back again, going forward again and going back, so that it will have a illusion of going back and forth. Yeah, it's somewhere here. Yeah, like that. Going forward, going back again, going forward again. You to decide how high you want your feet to be in the air. Yeah, this one I repeat because I want to emphasize the plate and the bowl. And I want to emphasize that I'm eating. And I'm drinking. Then that's it. This is my ending now. I will play again.
You know I'm gonna get.
Then that's it. I'm finished with my video and delete the reference sound that we have. So maybe I can save this already to master file, then airdrop again back to my phone and upload it in TikTok.
That's my best friend.